Hello and welcome to our tour of the IHG Voco Hotel in Southampton. The hotel has recently undergone a major refurbishment and I'm sure you will agree that it looks absolutely fabulous. Let's take a look. The lobby area is bright, spacious and airy. If you like to partake in a beverage much like us, there is a hotel bar and pricing wise it is very reasonable. And yes, the cocktails did taste as good as they looked. For anyone that wants to dine in the hotel, they do have the Atlantic Gate restaurant. Now, we didn't dine here for an evening meal, so do let us know in the comments if you have done and let us know what your experience was like. The restaurant itself did look stunning though. The lobby area itself has lots of chairs and space, so if you arrive early, not to worry, there will be plenty of space for you to hang out and relax before your vacation. And should you wish to venture out, you can rent an umbrella if the weather turns rainy. Now let's take a look at the hotel room itself. So here we are in the corridor and we were on floor 7, staying in room 712. And as you can see, the room itself is gorgeous. It's so bright and spacious. And as you can see, the window view was absolutely stunning. Now, it can't be promised that all rooms will have a view like this, but we were lucky enough to have one, so of course we shared it. Now, should you need to do any work whilst you're on your travels, they have this handy desk here with ample power ports, as well as USB and USB-C sockets. Also, if you want to sit back and relax and watch the telly, you can watch live television as well as stream from a device, which is very handy. Now, the bed itself was very comfortable. Not too firm, yet not too soft, so it's perfect for us. Now, by the side of each side of the bed, you will find UK power ports as well as USB-C and USB sockets. Again, so handy for charging your devices overnight. Now, if you're getting ready for an evening out, you've got a nice full-length mirror here. And to the left, we're in the UK, so you've got to have that coffee and tea making facility, along with some bickies as well, which were complimentary. There is also a safe, which is fairly well sized. It is big enough to get a standard laptop in there. And here we have a nice space for your coats, clothes, and also suitcases. It's not the biggest space, but if you're staying just for maybe a night or two, then it's more than enough in our opinion. Now, heading into this beautiful modern bathroom. I love this nice illuminated circular mirror. It looks so modern and vibrant. There's plenty of space, as you can see, and it's filled with lots of modern touches. The shower itself is pretty big. It's nice that it's actually got a door as well, so you can close it to keep nice and warm. And in terms of shower pressure, the water was great. It's worth noting that there is no need to pack any shampoo, conditioner or shower gel because it is provided complimentary and it smells amazing too. Now, if you like to bring lots of cosmetics and makeup, as you can see, there's plenty of room for storage. Another really nice little detail that I noticed as I was showering was that there is like a little demister in the middle, so you can still see after you've showered. The rooms are fitted with air conditioning, but it's worth noting during cooler months it is turned off. There is a handy HDMI socket available if you wish to screen anything via a laptop, or you can stream via your other devices as well, which is very handy. There is also room service available, otherwise you may want to venture across to the West Quay shopping centre. They have plenty of restaurants available. After a very good night's sleep, we ventured downstairs because we wanted to try Voco's very own breakfast. A choice of continental or fully cooked breakfasts are available at a cost. We enjoyed the cheeky mimosa as part of the fully cooked breakfast, which we very much enjoyed. In terms of variety, as you can see, there was a lot to choose from. You could choose from croissants, cereals, yogurts, and if you went for the full cooked breakfast, you could take your pick from toast, egg, sausage, bacon, everything one would expect. In terms of quality, it was fantastic. Everything tasted nice and fresh and nicely cooked. In fact, it was the best black pudding I'd ever had at a hotel breakfast. So well done, Voco. The coffee was great too. All the staff were really friendly, but a special shout out to Simi and Jose. We just wanted to note that this visit was paid for and it was not sponsored by Voco. We genuinely loved our time at Voco Southampton and we'd absolutely stay again. In fact, we did actually have another booking in Moxie for when we returned back from our cruise, but we decided to cancel that and stay at Voco again. It was genuinely that good, so we'll definitely be seeing them again. And if you've got any questions, let us know in the comments if you have any. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to click that like button and why not check out other videos on our channel. We love going cruising, so if you're into cruising, definitely check out the rest of our videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.